Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to recover your LinkedIn account without an email. Alright, let's begin. First, open any preferred browser and go to the LinkedIn website. On the login page, tap on the Forgot Password option, and you'll be prompted to enter your email or phone number. Enter the email linked to your account and continue to the next step. If you no longer have access to that email, tap on the Can't Access This Email option. LinkedIn may prompt you to use your phone number instead. If you don't have access to your phone number either, tap on the Don't Have Access to Any of These link. Now, you will be asked to provide a new email address that LinkedIn can use to contact you. Enter the necessary details along with your account name, then tap Continue. LinkedIn will then guide you through a verification process to confirm your identity. Make sure to read the instructions carefully on the LinkedIn verification page, as they will provide details on how to proceed. Once you complete the verification successfully, LinkedIn will allow you to reset your password and regain access to your account. So that's basically how you can recover your LinkedIn account without an email. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.